What's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to the channel. And this is gonna be haul video for the month of August. So check it out. Let's get right into it. Over here, start on this corner. We got this beautiful blue truck. Very cool. It's from Maisto. And let's see in the bottom, it says it's a come on, where are you? Chevy pickup. So here is a Chevy pickup truck. Very cool. And we got a surf and turf in green. Very cool. Awesome. Up next, we got another Mustang. Here we got a custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. This is from Joey Logano. Very cool. Hot Wheels team. I think last month we got one of those. Next one is from Hot Wheels Flames 64 Chevy Nova Wagon. Very cool. I bet you everyone has got this one, or at least seen it in the pegs, but very cool. Next one, this is from Tokyo 2000, the Olympics. From that set, I'm trying to get them all so I can maybe make a quick video. So this is Mountain Mauler. There you go. Olympic Games Tokyo 2020, 4 out of 10. And nope, you don't have the listing, I guess, of all the vehicles. We got a 87 Dodge D100. Very cool. This one, I think I was gifted from my brother to me. So here we got a Volvo 850 Estate. Very cool. Look at that Volvo. And then we got this Matchbox, which we found Walmart, I think, and it's the new set of the Mustangs. And I only was able to find this one. Is a, what is it? 93 Ford Mustang LX SSP. Very cool. So we got this one. And then we got this one. I wasn't sure if I already had these, so that's why I only picked up these two, because I wasn't sure, and kind of regret now not getting all of them. So here we have a 68 Ford Mustang GTCS. Check that out, in gold. Very cool. I love this one. This one's very cool. So there you go. Let's see what are in the back. So this is the set. You see the ones that are there. Very cool. Maybe I can find the rest of them some other day. Here we got a Batmobile DC. There you go, Batmobile. Blue windshield and blue rims, blue and black rims. Here we got a 73 Ford Falcon XB. Very cool. I got it because it was in the Hot Wheels Flames, and because look at those flames. That color combination is very cool. Awesome. Next up is a BMW K1300R. You know, I'm also collecting bikes, so every time I see a bike, I see it first if I have it. If not, I pick it up. So next up, Matchbox. And here we have a 71 MGB Coupe. Very cute car. You got the tampos and get the logos and the license plate. And on this side, you got the logo on the front, the emblem. Next up, oh, we got this beautiful truck. Here's a 47 Chevy AD 3100, and I've only had one of these, so I picked up another one to gift it to my dad. Yeah, here now this one I got it because it has the Mattel logo on the side, and this is an international armed truck. So there it is, the logo of Mattel Federal Credit Union. Very cool, Mattel. So, and then we got this color variant of the Ice Cream King. I think the first one was in like a yellowish, light yellow. I like this blue one. I like the color combination, the blue and the pink. So very cool. So I had to pick it up. There we go. Now these are the Hot Wheels Pixar series, which I am trying to get all of them, but so far I've not been that lucky. So I want that one right there, which is the Cars, and I need that one too. Which is that one, Nemo? Yeah, Dory or Nemo. So here we got the Incredibles 2, not just Incredibles. There's the car. It's a fish and chip. Very cool. I like the color. I like that emblem in the front, the Incredibles. And then we found the Monsters Inc. one, which is very cool. Check that out. Now, I think in the other side it should be him, but very cool. I like it. And then the last one that I found of this Pixar set was a Toy Story one. Buzz on the side. I'm assuming on the other side is Woody, but I like the color of it. You know, they didn't color in his skin or, you know, do a lot of detail. They just kept like the green and the purple and the white, you know, and a little bit of the red. So that's very cool. So on the other side, I think and I hope Woody and Jesse is on that side. So I'm only missing these two. The Path Beater and the Highway Hauler. So I just need those two to have the whole set. And then here is one of the 4 of the Fast and the Furious Spy Racers. I already have these two, but not in this card. I have them in the other what's called the screen time set. So I think this one's an individual set with only 4 cars. So I might get it, I might not. I might just get the last 2 that I need, which is this one and the truck. I think the truck I think I saw it, but I'm not sure. Hyper Finn, that's the name of this car or the guy, I'm not too sure. But this is cool. I have not seen this series on Netflix. If any one of you have seen it before, leave a comment and tell me if it's good or not, or, you know, recommend it to watch it. And the last Matchbox, we got a 35 Ford pickup. This one was gifted from my dad. And let's go here. Here is a Cars Jeff Garnett, which is in the silver collection, and he is the Corvette version in the Cars universe. So pick this one up, pretty cool. And here we have a Pat Traxson, which is I don't know what these guys' official race car. Oh, official pace car. See, I didn't know what they were called, but that's what they're called, pace cars. And I don't know the term of when they get on the track, and everyone has to slow down. I don't know what that is, why they do it. So also leave a comment if you know, if you're a NASCAR fan and you know that term. What's it for? Why do they do that? And here is a treasure hunt for the Disney Pixar cars. And here we got my favorite character here, Metallic Union Jack Ramon. So this one, it would be my second one. Look at that. Awesome. Very cool. Very cool. So I have a couple of these treasure hunts. Not all of them, but a couple. I wanted that Dinoco one. I think I found that orange one, but I'm not sure. But yeah, pretty cool. I get more lucky on these than supers and or the White Lightnings and the Johnny Lightning and the what's it called? Green light, the green machines. And last but not least, I got this Jetta Slug Bug. Now I saw all three of them. I'm not too interested in getting all three of them, but I did like this one. So very cool. Warning: choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years old. VW11. So look at that. It has some flowers. Has an I and love. I love flowers. Pretty cool. I like it. The only thing that my brother also pointed out is the thin tires. You can see it has very thin tires. But yeah, that's cool. I don't care. I picked it up anyways. So there you have it. Everything that I have found for the month of August. Very cool haul. Pretty cool pieces that I found. I hope you all having a great year. Have a great day. Go collect. I hope you find what you're looking for. Yeah, and have a good one, y'all. Peace.